Number 4. Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day, this is number of phones at the end of each day, can be estimated with this equation that they give us. P equals 108 minus 23 times D. P is the number of phones left. Pardon my awful handwriting here. And D is the number of days worked. Okay. So let's put in some real numbers and kind of visualize this. If she has worked 2 days, how many phones does she have left? It's 108 minus 23 times 2 days. So 108 minus 46 equals 62. She has 62 phones left. So every day this number is going up. We're subtracting more phones. So what can we infer then? That this means that she's fixing 23 phones a day, because after 2 days we're subtracting 46. After 1 day it would have been just 23. Then after 2 days she subtracts 46, so she has 62 left. So we can deduce then here, this is representing the number of phones per day times how many days. So then what is 108? That's the starting point. That's where she starts, how many phones she has at the beginning of the week. So we look at our options, and option B says Kathy starts each week with 108 phones to fix. That is what 108 means. She starts with that many phones, and then each day she is fixing 23.